Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have just been for my nails doing, which told myself I was on a ban. The reason why I did get my nails done and I thought I'd start a new video here, I have a very exciting Monday coming up. So it's Wednesday at the moment. I am going to be vlogging my day in London on Monday when I go down to do an Astrid Miyu jewellery photo shoot. I'm going to take you along with me on the train to London and see what happens. I mean, I'm really hoping I'll be able to film a few little clips when I'm at the studio. I don't know how strict things are going to be in terms of me filming, but I will try and get a few sneaky clips. Humbled, grateful to be given this experience. Probably take you along to get my brows done tomorrow, and might even film a little bit of outfit planning. Current brow stitch, and we're done. Oh my god, so red. I honestly forgot how much it hurt getting them waxed. Oh, maybe I just don't have a very good pain threshold, but nice and neat now. So phase 2 complete. So it is Sunday night now and I'm just getting my case packed up. I'm just watching a little vlog myself and trying on these combos. So yeah, I've got a couple of bits in there already. My favourite trusty blazer is definitely in there, some leather trousers, a white shirt, like a beige ribbed vest top. All I'm doing for the rest of the night is 1 hair wash, 2 moustache trim. What else do I need to do? My eyebrows I am very happy with. They did a really good job. Don't need to go in any makeup tomorrow. I do need to go with my hair done though, which I'm a bit nervous about because whenever I curl my hair, it never stays. It will stay for like 2 hours, but I'm leaving the house at 8:45 and I don't need to be there until 2. So that's potentially going to be interesting. I also did pre-ask just in case if I can vlog a little bit there, and they kindly said yes, so I'm very excited. I just hope I don't get stage fright because it's scary. I'm like, I get stage fright with Alex, never mind, or on my own. I get stage fright on my own. I don't know how I can. You just flip the camera up and you're like. But yeah, they have said that I can take some BTS clips if I want, so I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna be brave, I'm gonna do it. That's me for tonight, just getting myself prepped, packed. Got a few questions I need to go through that will be asked of me and filmed for TikToks and Reels, so I need to just make sure I've got a bit of an answer prep. Anyway, get these last few bits tried on and then head off in the morning, but obviously I will keep you posted. I will take you with me. We're gonna have a great day. We will see you in the morning. Good morning, it is Monday morning. I have done a bit of skin prep, so I'm just having a tea and gonna set off to Doncaster station in about half an hour. I've got a jam-packed itinerary today. I'm very excited for it. I'm gonna meet Maddie firstly when I get to London for a quick bit of lunch, and then I will only be at the shoot from 2 until 5 if everything runs on time. And then I'm gonna go and meet Annie, Alex's sister, for a drink afterwards and get the train home. So should be a good old day. So yeah, this is the hair now. I usually brush my curls out so they're just a little bit more relaxed, but I thought I need to do it sort of curl my hair a little bit more intensely at this time in the morning because it's only 8:15, and like I said, it's got to last numerous hours. So that is me. I'm gonna put the camera away and finish getting ready before I make myself late like I always do, and we'll see you in London. So I've made it to King's Cross. As you can see, so excited. It's such a nice day in London. I can't believe how nice it is. Literally this morning, as you probably saw in my clips, Yorkshire was awful. Overcast, freezing cold, It's actually a noticeable temperature difference here. So my plans have totally changed, and Maddie can't get out of work, so I ended up ringing Jess, my other friend who lives in London, and long story short, I'm crashing her breakfast date. She said that she was literally 10-minute walk away from King's Cross station in a really nice cafe, so I'm just gonna go and meet her to have a really quick coffee, and hopefully Phil won't mind. So that's the new plan, and then I'm gonna go and find lunch somewhere myself. So I'm just off to meet Jess now at Granary Square Brasserie, I think it's called. It's a bit of a mouthful, that. Granary Square Brasserie. Oh, here it is. Hi Jess.
Hey!
How's it? I don't even know what to say.
I've got stage fright.
I know, I'm like...
What do I say?
Right, I'm gonna just do a little pan round. We are at this very cute breakfast brunch, you know, Lady of Leisure spot. So,
It's gorgeous.
yes, it is beautiful, and it is such a nice sunny day.
Okay, so cut to me in the taxi, frantically trying to get to the shoot on time. I had a lovely coffee and catch up with Jess, and then thought, oh crap, I need to go ASAP. And yeah, I had a bit of a nightmare getting there. The train that I was going to get was cancelled, which you will see later on when I explain it in detail, but it was very stressful, and I also couldn't vlog in the taxi because it was painfully silent.
Right, I'm here, I think. Super quick vlog update. So out of breath. That was so stressful getting from King's Cross to Peckham. Oh my god. My Apple Maps, do not trust them. Use City Mapper like Jess told me to do, which I didn't do. Yay. Apple Maps told me to go to Victoria and then get an overground train that wasn't actually running. So I had to get a £30 taxi, and he didn't know where he was going. But I've made it, so check in, catch up shortly. Being in front of those lights for so long, but that's a wrap. That was so much fun. I was so petrified. The photos themselves were actually not too bad. Videos were a little bit more nerve-wracking, but they said just say an off-the-cuff answer because that's usually the most realistic and representative of you. So that's what I tried to do. I am locked in, everybody. Locked in. Can't get bleeding out. Oh, freaking hellfire. Always me. Always me. World's biggest idiot. Thank you. Ta. So, I was trying to get out the wrong door. That's why it won't frigging work. Anyway, I'm gonna go and meet Annie now. This was where the studio was. Just in there. And I'm glad to be outside. I'm sweating cobs. Those lights get really, really hot. But I've had the best time, so have a proper catch up about it either on the train home or when I get back. For now, 3 hours work done for the day. I'm excited to look in my goodie bag as well, actually. I don't even know if you can hear this with my suitcase rattling, but let's go meet Annie. Here she is. Right, I'm going to do a quick update. I'm going to be brave because I just get stage fright so bad. But we are in Garden Rooftop. Is that what it's called, Annie? Yeah. I'm here with Annie, Alex's sister, for everybody on YouTube who doesn't know. But we've come to this gorgeous rooftop. It's blurry, but that's the London Eye. The shoot is all done. My 3 hours of work for the day are over and I'm exhausted. So just having a little cheeky vino. Not really been vlogging much on the streets because this would get robbed. Like, if I was walking on the streets, that'd get robbed straight away, wouldn't it? So, and I just couldn't, no. I didn't want to put myself in that position. So, here we are. I'm in safety vlogging, but I'm going to put it away now so I can enjoy my wine. And I maybe vlog on the train, but I got stage fright on the train also earlier because it's just so busy. Oh. Like that, we are back at King's Cross, and I couldn't come to King's Cross without paying a brief visit to platform 9 3/4. Just had to. My god, there's a massive queue. There it is. HP fans, eat your heart out. Right, better actually go and get my train now. So yeah, it's been such a fun day. We're gonna have a debrief either when I get home or maybe on the train if it's quiet, but probably won't be quiet. So yeah, all round fabulous day. Really enjoyed myself and I can't wait to see all the shots. And I would say I can't wait to see all the videos, but they're gonna make me cringe because I don't like myself talking. But yeah, let's go get this train. It does come in about 7 minutes. Nothing like last minute. Typical me. And we're back. Back with Lexi. Kindly come to pick me up even though Liverpool are playing.
Yeah, not just Liverpool playing, it's Liverpool Everton,
Derby,
one of the biggest games of the year.
Yep. Scouse Derby.
The Merseyside Derby.
Oh right, okay, yeah. Oh god, I'm just proper exhausted though, but it's been so much fun. It's just been a lot of emotions today, and to be honest, probably just have to have a full debrief in the morning when I've actually recharged and I can actually think about what I'm saying. So for tonight, I'm here with Lexi. I'm gonna go home.
She's got some chicken and sweet potato ready.
Yay!
Nando's style.
Beautiful, thank you, appreciate that. So I will eat that and then get my head straight down. Fill you in tomorrow, and tomorrow we can also open my goodie bag because I've not even opened it either. I thought we'll, you know, open it together on the vlog. So good night all, and I'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
And we're back home with this one. Oh, you got the camera then, Nelly. I've been with your sister tonight, haven't I?
Good morning, everybody. So it's the next day now. I've had a very good sleep. Feel a bit better, but I'm definitely coming down with a cold that's been brewing for a few days. So I'm just glad I didn't feel like this yesterday. So I'm gonna get myself a tea and finally look at this little gift package that Astrid and Miyu gave me yesterday. I'm so excited to see what's in it, so do a little unboxing together when I've got my tea. Right, let's just excuse the PJs. Don't plan on getting changed for a couple of hours. So let's have a look. Cleanse and Hydrate Magnificent Pro Collagen Tail. Oh, I can't wait to try that. I've never tried anything Elemis before. Gift one. Very nice. The packaging's gorgeous as well. will report back on these. Aw, these look so nice. Didn't expect the pots to be that big as well. So we shall give them a try in the next few days. And then just a little brochure. Then we have a £150 Astrid Miyu gift card, which I am so excited to use. I think I already know what I want to use it on. As part of my shoot yesterday, I had to wear the heart. I hope this is not focusing over there, by the way. This is quite annoying. As part of the shoot yesterday, I had to wear the heart pendant necklace, bracelet and earrings, and they are so nice. So maybe I'll get the necklace or something. I've actually never heard of this brand, Toko Swim. So I've got a £50 voucher to spend with them, so that will go down a treat. I've also got a Bare Minerals, what is this? Don't know what it is, don't have a clue to be honest. Some kind of stick, vital power infusion, don't know, but again, thank you, we'll give it a go. And then we have some chocolates. And then, what have we got in here? Oh, yay, we've got the heart pendant earrings that I mentioned I wore. Oh my god, they are so sweet. I love them so much. I really wanted those. I was going to use my voucher on them. Probably wear them today. So that was number one. Then number two, these pouches are so cute. Oh, I think they read my mind. Love this piece. It was probably my favourite piece, so I am so happy to have this. Probably end up getting the bracelet also to match, but got the earrings and the necklace, so that is so nice.
Super quickly, if you wanted to treat yourself, Astrid and Miyu have actually given me a 15% off discount code. Honestly, the quality of these pieces is so high and they have such a range from pearls to silver to gold jewellery. The code is Charmuse15 and that is valid from the 6th to the 12th of March.
Overall, the day was great. Probably said that about 18 times, but terrifying, like weirdly terrifying. Funny because there was silence in the studio when you had to record your video clips. So the photographer would shout, "Silence in the studio." There's about 20 girls in there, and like most of them were just stood watching you, and you were like, "My name's so and so." Fingers crossed we got some really nice shots, and this vlog I'm probably gonna upload early March when the shoot photos have come out, and I'm gonna just put a few into the vlog so you can see the end result. So for now, I'll see you on the next video. Right, I know I'm probably milking it a bit with this vlog now, but I do want to squeeze this little clip in right at the end because I am in shop windows. How fun is that? I actually didn't expect that. I just thought everything was going to go on social media. So I thought I need to pay a visit to the Leeds store, which is the closest one to me, and just have a little look because you've got to milk it, haven't you? It's quite exciting. So famous. No, I'm joking, but yeah, it has been a really good experience. Let's go find me in the window. You can see it.
Uh-oh.
It's only small, but I don't care.
Look.
Can you still see?
Yeah. Yeah, look, she's there.